Yeah?
Okay. I do hate you do take. He's fine.
Oh, yeah. Thunder's fine.
Yeah, but you didn't separate the alfalfa.
Huh?
She needs alfalfa.
She's got alfalfa.
In there.
Huh?
On here so we can get to the baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? Hi, Thunder.
Hey. Red light?
Red light.
Wait, no. Just wait.
No. He's fine. Hey, back. No. Hey. Back. We're done. Okay, back. He's fine, baby.
Oh, he's strong.
It's all fine. He's fine. Hello, Thunder. He's not dry all the way.
Yeah, of course not. It's all good.
Thunder. Stop. I'm not hurting. Stop.
All right. Come over here, babe. You're fine.
Welcome to your baby. Oh, he loves his mom.
Oh, good pumpkin. Oh, that's your baby.
That's Thunder.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Yes. And Thunder's a good boy. He's fine. We didn't hurt him. He's a good boy. Look at that. He's amazing. Just like you. Okay, feed him. Be a good girl. Feed him. Eat your alfalfa. Oh, he's a cutie. I think he's smaller.
Yeah. He's still walking.